Can a damaged tooth be removed and replaced with an implant during the same appointment? Sometimes yes, but immediate implant placement is not simply a faster version of conventional treatment. It is a carefully selected protocol that depends on the socket, bone, gum tissue, infection control, and the ability to stabilize the implant correctly. Three terms are often confused. Immediate placement means the implant is inserted on the same day as tooth extraction. Immediate restoration means a provisional tooth is connected within the first week, but protected from direct bite contact. Immediate loading means the restoration receives functional contact within the first week. A patient may receive immediate placement without receiving an immediate tooth. Immediate placement may be considered when the extraction can be completed without excessive damage and the anatomy supports the plan. The clinician evaluates the socket walls, facial bone, soft tissue quality, gum position, and the possibility of obtaining primary implant stability. The implant must also fit beneath the planned final crown. It should not simply follow the direction of the extracted tooth root. A clinical examination and appropriate imaging are essential. CBCT may help assess facial bone, socket anatomy, nearby roots, nerves or sinus structures, and available bone for anchorage. But the final decision may still change during extraction. A socket that looked favorable on a scan can become unsuitable if a bone wall fractures. Every immediate plan needs a safe staged alternative. The word infection does not produce one automatic answer. The dentist must evaluate whether the problem is acute or chronic. Selected sites with chronic periapical infection may still be considered when adequate debridement and primary stability are possible. But uncontrolled acute infection or unfavorable anatomy may make delayed treatment safer. The tooth is removed using a tissue-preserving technique. The socket is cleaned and inspected. The implant is then positioned according to the final restoration, often engaging bone beside the original socket to achieve stability. A space may remain between the implant and socket wall. Graft material may be considered depending on the anatomy of that space. A temporary tooth may be connected when implant stability, bite, bone, and patient factors are favorable. For a single front tooth, the temporary crown may be adjusted so it does not touch during biting or side-to-side movement. It maintains appearance and helps shape the gum, but the final crown is only considered after tissue readiness is confirmed. Staged treatment is appropriate when facial bone is damaged, primary stability cannot be achieved, or the gum is unfavorable. Waiting is not a treatment failure. It may protect the appearance, bone, and long-term result. Before accepting an immediate implant, ask, is the implant being loaded immediately? Is the same-day tooth temporary or final? What stability is required? Will grafting be needed? And what happens if the socket is unsuitable after extraction? Immediate implant placement can reduce treatment stages, but it cannot eliminate biology or guarantee a same-day tooth. At Renova Clinic, the right timing is the timing that protects the final restoration. Suitability is confirmed through clinical assessment,